welcome to the morning afterwards. So Chloe and I found a cider festival just down the road from Castle Coombe, which is where I'm walking to because I can't drive because of last night's cider festival. So I've got my Make Feel Good juice and I'm going to capture the arrivals whilst Chloe wakes up because she's a bit tired. So this will be their spring action day, as you can tell by the spring weather we've got today. Chloe was going to do a park run. Don't think she's going to do that. R34. If the park's anything like that, Chloe's going to look like that, a moist sheep. Even though we booked a hotel in the town that's down the road from Castle Coombe, walking distance is quite far and wet. Green E46. But as we might have seen, there were quite a few show cars in our hotel car park, and all around the area there are cars parked ready for this show. So it's going to be big, I think, and I hope. I might just stay under this tree and see what's going on for the time being, because it's a little bit moist. Nice Jetta, revolutions from the Jetta. What have we got here? A yellow Mark 1 MX-5. Check out that spoiler. There we go. Renault 5, all the way from the Mac Power era. Renault 5 Turbo confirmed. I'm going to man up and escape from under this tree because there's a junction ahead that I want to sit at instead. Oh, a Golf Saxo. And here is another reminder that tickets for Adam Seafest are still available. There's links down below. And if you want to get your car on the main grids, the top 25 Friends of Adam C section, just send me a picture of your car and I'll consider it. You'll need a show car ticket, but I'm looking forward to seeing what you've got. Thank you. There's an RS3 saying good morning to me. Good morning. He was offering me a lift. Very generous, but fortunately that's where I'm going. Just there. Oh, yellow S14. What a fantastic community to see me walking down here in the rain, turn back from his convoy of other Audis and offer me a lift into the show. I could have got it for free. Thank you very much, kind sir. And a GR Yaris. Oh, it seems the path just ends and I'm not wearing my off-roading shoes. That's where I'm going. There's the junction. Muddy. An escort just sent it out of that junction. So I might be capturing cars leaving here later on today, so make sure you hit that bell when you subscribe to be notified for the cars leaving video. But there seems to be a lot of traffic suddenly. There have been a lot of modified Focus STs. This one's got a Sega livery around it, Sonic on the side. Wow, that's a manifold noise and some scraping flats. Thank you. Whoa, that was a tasty sounding E36. Has he got like a 1UZ or something on an LS? Pretty sure that's an LS, definite V8, and an R33 with a sleepy MX-5. Yeah, I get that. I feel the same, mate. Another E36, Sons V8, and some finger gestures from inside the ST. Go. Evo's like, nah, I'm not about this traffic, I'm going the other way, even though this is as demonstrators. I suppose what you could do is go all the way up there and come back down. I think that's what a lot are doing. Yellow. Hey, we have an Escort Cosworth. That is the second one I've seen pulling into the meet. And I remember this car from Adam Seafest last year. Everyone loves a green shed, I believe it said as a sticker on the back of it. I think it had like some kind of turret exhaust. It may not anymore, but the wheels are brave. Oh no, there we go. Everyone loves a green tractor. I was almost there, and there's its little flappy turret. Oh! Geo by Luke has gone the other way. Now we've got 3 shades of green. Well, we'll be drifting at the show today, and it looks like the drift cars are arriving. We have a Zenki S14 and a Koki S14 going the other way. Focus ST, leather livery. They must be, I I don't know, there must be another route, but obviously the Golf Academy is this way. And Luke has returned in his S15. Very noisy S15. So all the folk that tried going that way are now returning. There's the Evo X from about 5 to 10 minutes ago. More S-body drift cars going the other way as the one from earlier is coming back. 350Z and another S-body, that one an S14. He should be like, nah, don't go that way, you have to come this way. What is this? Rocket Bunny 350Z. Oh no, this S14 drift car has turned around and he's going to try and go the wrong way again, maybe. Cannot he see that this car has come back this way and he can't go that way? But we're going to see him in about 10 minutes, I reckon. Another one of the drift cars. Yeah, he's telling him. Are we going to see it again? I don't know. There it is one more time. Almost clipped the apex. Clipping points. Yes, he's getting his practice in. We have a yellow Datsun. This one is not the one with the RB25. Still lovely nonetheless. Love that. A race car? Race car, Rassi Kerr. Is that a Supra? Looking at Google, I can tell why people are going the other way, because it's traffic all the way up to Castle Coombe, which is still a few miles away. Google is doing everything it can to tell us to go a different way. Everyone's deciding to go this way. Here is the Toyota Supra Mark IV, and one of the S-body drift cars, another S14, has come back. Take a look at this little Lupo and the wheel and tyre setup. It's got the wide arches, but the tyres still protrude out so far. It's a little lunchbox on wheels. Hello. No. A very bold colour. Yellow is the best colour on the little Civic Type R. EP3, followed by some FN2s. And a bold and blue Mustang V8. Some more skiddy boys. They're not going to need a lot of their tyres today with the moisture on the surface. R32 with the bravest of wheels. And a GT86. I seem to remember that's been engine swapped. I think it could be a 1J. Someone correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments. Oh, this is daunting. Oh no, here come the Mustangs, a trio. Oh no, there's 4, I bet there's more. They've all made it here safely in the moisture. Celine Mustang, ultra rare. Oh wow, look at this. Oh yeah, not the Caravan, the Mustang. Oh, he's had enough. That is beautiful, side pipes and all. Love that. We have another Focus RS. We got the GT86 with the Sora, a couple of cars behind. I am destroyed. Are you ready for Chewbacca noises? And how about that? Nova. Really are going back in time today. Oh, and the Escort. Fantastic. Well, that was boosted. So, it's 8 o'clock. There's the last little stream of cars going in. I'm gonna start my long old walk back to Chloe and see what else comes this way. Car guys are an unusual breed. Even in the pouring rain, they get up probably like 5:30, 6 o'clock, and they're all in the show by 8 a.m. A lot of people don't wake up until 8 a.m. or afterwards on a Saturday, but here we are, already in the meet at 8 in the rain. You're late! Oh, the first R35 GTR of the show with some lights behind it. Oh, I like that! Cortina, and another latecomer with some honeycomb on its rear. And I'm pretty sure this was parked in my hotel car park last night as well. A late riser. But it does seem that everyone is pretty much in the show, so only a short video this one today, but I still hope you enjoyed it, starting with my frolicking at the cider festival and then walking all the way here in the morning in the rain. So follow me on all of my social channels for updates and highlights and pictures of the meets that I do here. But for now, in the weather, thanks for watching.